did it! You've transformed from someone who wrote basic counting loops into a programmer who builds intelligent, interactive systems. This is huge. Look at this incredible journey. You started with simple loops that blindly counted, and now you're creating intelligent systems that filter data, stop strategically, validate input, and interact with users. You've unlocked the secret to making loops that actually think. Let's celebrate every pattern you've mastered. Filter patterns that process only what matters. Search patterns that stop when they find their target. Counting patterns that track discoveries. Validation patterns that guide users gently. Menu systems that create interactive experiences. And statistical tracking that reveals insights. You're a pattern master now. Look at your incredible progression. Week 9. You learned basic loops that count. Week 10. You mastered nested loops for complex patterns. Week 11. You've created intelligent loops that make decisions, interact with users, and solve real problems. That's professional level growth. Here's something mind-blowing. Every search engine finding your favorite videos, every game responding to your choices, every app processing your data, they all use the exact smart loop patterns you just mastered. You're not just learning to code, you're learning how the digital world actually works. What makes me most excited is how you're thinking now. You're not just using one concept at a time. You're combining loops with conditions, adding break for efficiency, tracking multiple variables, and handling user interaction gracefully. That's exactly how professional developers think. As we wrap up this amazing week, remember what you've accomplished. Smart loops aren't just about code. They're about creating experiences, solving real problems, and thinking systematically about complex challenges. You've joined the ranks of real programmers who build things that matter. Next week, we'll learn professional debugging techniques to make you even more powerful. You should be incredibly proud of how far you've come.